Holy Spirit in the Holy Spirit Chapel of Bradford Cathedral was written by John Coleman in October 2008. The design is broadly based on and adapted from a classic 15th century Russian Pentecost icon, showing the apostles sitting in the upper room, positioned in a semicircle round the bottom half of the icon. Above this is a local touch, with a realistic depiction of the Cow and Calf rocks above Ilkley, to symbolise the Holy Spirit coming down on all creation. If you look closely at each side of the icon, you will see rhubarb, another local touch for this area that was originally part of the rhubarb triangle. At the top of the icon is the sunburst symbol. Egyptian Coptic icons often adapted imagery they saw on the walls of long-abandoned pharaohs' temples into their icons. They borrowed this symbol, which the ancient Egyptians had used for their sun god Ra, to depict the Holy Spirit. That dramatic symbol has appeared on every version of Pentecost ever since. The sunburst, with 12 radii emanating from its central radian, dividing into two, denotes the presence of the other two persons of the Holy Trinity, God the Father and God the Son.